set. Okay, in a set, what 5 minutes, 1 minute, guys, go on thread.sleep for 5 seconds. वो लोग सोचे कि आज क्लास हो कहाँ है। It felt like we are in a mechanical environment. So now, guys, pay attention. In this hash set part, okay, in this hash set part, what is happening? Obviously, it is also a one form of collection. So obviously here also you have a group of data, correct? So if you have group of data, but we will create hash set object and then we will determine what exactly this process is. But before going for that, can you just read that word once again? Hash set. Are you recalling something? Hash. Hash means hash code. Okay. So guys, hash set always stores the data in a hash table. Hash set always stores the data in what? Hash table. Okay. So first point is underlying data structure is hash table. Okay. Now question is what is hash table? Okay. So any table, guys, any table which stores the data according to their hash code. Are you getting my point? According to their what? Hash code. So assume, pay attention. So let's assume this is a what? Table. Okay. This table have how many columns? Two columns. Okay. In these two columns, on like this, it will be there. Okay. So now in this side, they will keep what? Hash code. In this side, they will keep what? Object. Okay. Now, guys, what I am saying, pay attention very carefully. Let's assume I am the object. Okay. Let me open Eclipse. We will get better clarity parallelly. Huh. So, guys, pay attention. Let me go to our space. Now we will go to section 3. Now guys, I guess so now observe here, we will remove this. Let's remove these imports. Now I will create object of what? Hash say hs equals to new of hash say. Okay, import hash say. Now tell me if I add first object. Okay, if I add first object, assume my first object is hello. Assume my second, third, fourth, this object is this object is now here. Let's assume I enter hello. Then I entered what? 183. Let's assume here I am giving k. Okay, that's it. Let's assume only this. Assume only this. Now you tell me, I am entering all the data in the form of objects. Yes or no? This is object of which class? String. This is integer. This is character. Now, is there any object exists without hash code? Yes, no. No. Every object internally has what? Hash code. Am I right? Everyone? Every object internally have hash code. So, once that fellow will have hash code, when this comes. So, when that fellow have hash code, now surely hello hash code, 183 hash code and k hash code, will it be in sequence or will it be in random number? Huh? Random number. Is it like hello output, hello hash code is 101 and 183 hash code is 102 and 1k hash code is 103? Is it like that? All hash codes are different. Okay. Maybe chances are there. I'm just giving you assumption, right? Maybe chances are there. The code which we are using here, this piece of code. Okay. So now guys observe. When I enter hello, maybe chances are there hello hash code is something 1224. Possible or not? 183 hash code is 200. Maybe chances are there k hash code is 350. Yes or no? Now tell me, whose hash code is less? I'm just giving assumption. Okay, don't feel how sir predict exact output. I am predicting. Okay. So whose hash code is very less? Huh? 183. What is the hash code? 200. 200 will come here. Okay, who will come here? 200. And what is the object? 183. Now, 350. Who is next after 200? 350. So here what will come? 350 and what is the object? A. Here 1, 2, 2, 4 and here what? Hello. Now guys, can I say inside hash table? This is a table designed by using hash code. In this table, objects are getting arranged based on increasing order. Hey, yes, no. Based on increasing order. That means, now you tell me, data is arranged in a hash set on the basis of insertion or on the basis of hash code? On the basis of hash code. Now you tell me, are you aware about hash code? When you will add the objects, whenever you will add the objects, then are you having noticed you had 1,000 objects, you know, hash code of all 1,000 objects. Is any programmer aware? No. Automatically, JVM provides that hash code here and arrange the data like this. That means insertion order is preserved or not preserved in Excel. Not preserved because data arranged in which format? Based on hash code. So observe this. Insertion maintained. Coincidentally, lowest hash code is for hello. After that 183 and after that K. Just pure coincidence. Now let me add one more thing. Why you are taking tension? Add Kumar. If it is really maintaining insertion, Kumar should go in here. Last. प्योर कोइंसिडेंस बहुत बड़ा कोइंसिडेंस होगा तो ss dot add हाँ shall we run one more time पक्का yes so is insertion order maintained yes no पक्का okay data is arranged on the basis of what okay we know online class going on already 10 times disturbance happens man or else can you guys do after some half an hour huh for us is no problem who are attending online that's a big problem for them huh now here data arranged in which format based on hash okay so here point is very simple in a hash set in a hash set data is arranged based on hash code of a hash code of a object. So as we can't predict hash code, hence insertion is not preserved in preserving what? X. Is everyone clear? Now, next point is output is predictable or unpredictable? Huh? Provide unpredictable output. Is everyone clear? Okay. Now, pay attention. But it provides unpredictable output. No one can predict. If you add 1000 data, can I say all 1000 data comes with you in a mix-up manner? Then what is the use of such data? Over what? Will you override the hash code in a hashtag class which declared by Java people? Huh. Predefined class are not editable. Tell me, can you add your own method in state class? No, na? Huh. Problem solved. So, clear up to this? Then my question is what now? What is the use of hash set? Guys, you get some very important facility here. Okay, observe. Guys, let's assume I try to add 183 one more time. Now you tell me, if I add 183 one more time, hash code of this and this are same. Huh? Hash code is, but you don't know. In a string class and in wrapper class, hash code is overridden in such a manner if their content is same, hash code is same. Same process what we apply in string class. If I add hello one more time, as it is, will hash code same or different? Same. Okay. So, if two hash codes are same, then 183, assume 183 hash code is 200. Will this table accept 200 one more time? Yes, no? No. This is a table, guys. Can you sense this is a table none other than key value pair? Hash code is a key, object is a value. That's it. Just like what we find in property set. Best example for key value pair is roll number student. Tell me, can here hash code is none nothing but what? Roll number. Student is nothing but what? Object. Can two objects have same roll number? So will it allow 200 one more time? No. Nothing but ACID is mostly preferred for non-repeated data. Nothing but say I try to add 183 again, but is it accepting? That means ACID will not allow duplicate. Are you getting the difference? Array list, allow duplicate. Linked list, allow. Stack, allow. Vector, allow. All lists allow duplicate, maintain insertion. As said, will not maintain insertion, will not allow duplicate. Is this clear? Why hash set don't allow duplicates? Because duplicate hash code is not allowed in hash set. Hash set. How many clear on this? Confirm? So, now what is the next point? What is the next point? Duplicates are not allowed. Now, who left out? None. Ah, so null. I am enter. Is it accepting? Now I entered in third position, but it comes in which position? First. Can you add multiple null? No, duplicates are not allowed. Is this part clear? So, null insertion is possible. We can say null is possible means null is allowed, but only once. Is everyone clear on this? Pakka? Not on this? Here, one more thing, guys. Tell me, who provides hash code? Huh? Hash code provided by JVM. Who provide object? Object provide by user. Object you will give. In every area of you, what you will do? Huh? Then according to that, who done inheritance? JVM. Who done object? JVM. JVM. According to that theory, every answer is JVM only. Huh? I mentioned this. I know. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Online people. No, they are replying on. Online people, done. Last message 5:15. हाँ.